Hi. In the previous video, we learned how to get free license to access Revit and AutoCAD or any Autodesk products for 1 year. If you want to check that again, click the I button on the top or check the description below. I have attached the video link there. And in this video, I will tell you how to download and install Revit or AutoCAD or any other Autodesk products step-by-step guide. So let's start. Very first thing, open the browser whichever you have. So I have opened Chrome browser and type www.autodesk.com/education and press enter. It will take you to the Autodesk Education platform, and there very first thing, just sign in there. In the previous video we have learned how to sign in, so based on that click on sign in and enter your credential. So here I am just entering my credential, you have to put your own. Now you have successfully logged in. Now go to products and click on view all products. Now you have to select whichever the product you want to install. So select Revit and click on access products. As you have already got the license, so it will directly take you to the product and services now. Now you will land on Autodesk product and service page, and on the search bar, let us say if you want to search for AutoCAD product, type AutoCAD and press enter. Now you can see AutoCAD, architecture, electrical, MEP, and whatever the product you want like AutoCAD. And below you can find all the different versions like 23, 24, 25, 26, and what is your system processor and what is your preferred language, and mostly leave it as English. And same like now I will show you the example how you can download Revit, install and download Revit. So for that, type Revit and you can see all the relevant, and this is the Revit file we want to download. So first of all, select the version. Already I have downloaded Revit 26, 25 and 24. So I will select 23. Just an example, you can select any version you want, and Windows processor to be 64, and I'm leaving it as English. If you directly want to start the process for installation, click on the install. But if you want to download and install offline, then you have to press on the drop down button and click on the download. So I am showing you the download process. You can directly install. If your internet is very strong, you can do directly install as well. But anyhow, I will show you for download. So click on the download button. After that, an installer will be downloaded within a few seconds. So see, the download has been started. So by default, it will go to downloads. I will click on save and go to the downloaded location. In my system, it has downloaded on downloads file. So this is the installer you will receive. Create installer Revit, version is 2023. If you have selected any other version, it will show there. So right click and click open. And you can see the installer is starting to download the setup file. So you have to wait and it will take some time. Mostly it will take 15 minutes or sometime more than that based on the system and your RAM speed. So it will go like 1%, 2%, and you have to wait till it is going for 100%. Okay. And once the installation is complete, you have to click on finish and you will see an Autodesk folder is automatically created. Open the Autodesk folder and now you can find Revit 2023 version. Because I have selected Revit 2023, so it is showing me Revit 23. If you have selected any other version, the version name will show here. Click, and once you open the folder, you can see many folders there and some files. You have to select setup.exe. This is important. Right click the file and click open. From here, our installation process will start. So a small prompt will pop up and the Autodesk installer will start preparing for installation. You have to wait for some time. And now a window will pop up. Click on yes. And again Autodesk dialog box will appear and it will load for some time. You have to wait till then. And after that, the legal agreement page will appear. So you can scroll down and read, and usually simply you can click the checkbox, I agree, and then you have to click on next. And it will take you to the following update, and simply you have to click on the next button. And here it will show you two paths where you can install your Revit software, and where you can save the contents like the sample projects or any other libraries. So my recommendation is that you can leave it as such wherever it is showing on the C drive, and simply click on install. So once you click on the install button, the installation will start, and usually it will take a time 15 to 30 minutes based on your system configuration and the spec. So usually it will take 15 to 30 minutes. You have to wait and the installation will complete. And I'm not installing here now. I will just click on close. And that's it. This is the step-by-step guide how to install and download Revit. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hey, I am bringing more videos on creating course for Revit architecture, Revit structure and Revit MEP. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.